Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate random MAC address of your Motorola Moto G86 Power. Okay, so currently we are on the IMEI.info page, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device, just like that. If you don't know how to check it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it, and also in here you have a tutorial. Now, click on Check IMEI once you have copied and pasted your IMEI number. Scroll down, find the basic checks, click the MAC address generator, and now in this bar you need to type the MAC address of your device. If you don't know how to find it, click on Check how to find the MAC address, or you can also find the video on our channel when I'm also showing you how to find it on your device. So now, type your MAC address, click on Generate. Now scroll down, and in here you have 10 random MAC addresses. You can copy each one of them by clicking on that icon, which is next to each MAC address, or you can copy all of them when you click right in here. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.